Hi, my name is Ant Joblin and you're watching Smart Money, the show that gives you the inside edge on where smart money resides. Today we're taking a look at AquaBounty Technologies, a biotechnology company founded in 1991 from Maynard, Massachusetts, with a market cap of $81 million. The firm focuses on enhancing productivity in aquaculture and engages in the provision of land-based aquaculture services. That includes the farming of aquatic organisms such as fish, shellfish, crustaceans and aquatic plants. It focuses on salmon produce, a bioengineered Atlantic salmon that can grow to market size faster than conventionally farmed Atlantic salmon. Sustainability is a key driver of the company, whose objective is to ensure the availability of high-quality seafood to meet global consumer demand while addressing critical production constraints in the most popular farmed species. The company's AquaAdvantage fish program is based upon a single specific molecule modification in fish that results in more rapid growth in earlier development. It has aquaculture facilities located in Prince Edward Island, Canada, and Indiana, USA, and raises disease-free, antibiotic-free salmon in land-based aquaculture systems, offering a reduced carbon footprint and no risk of pollution of marine ecosystems as compared to traditional sea cage farming. The firm recently announced the pricing of its underwritten public offering of 11 million shares of common stock to the company at a price to the public of $2.50 per share. AquaBounty raised around $27.5 million from the offering. Today's insider trades were part of that offering. Large shareholder and director of the firm, Alana Sipinski, purchased 4 million shares in the issue at $2.50, taking her personal holding to 9.175 million shares, with a current market value of $24.2 million. Another large shareholder, Ranald Kirk, mirrored Sipinski's trade and now has matching holdings. Other directors, Huber, Turk and Sterling, also participated, although at lower levels. Despite COVID-19 having a big impact on every sector, it was a busy Q2 for the firm. They completed the first harvest of conventional Atlantic salmon in June at the company's Indiana farm, validating its land-based recirculating aquaculture systems as an efficient and sustainable way to raise Atlantic salmon. The Indiana-based farm expects to ramp up monthly harvest of conventional salmon throughout the summer and plans to reach 100 metric tons per month by early 2021. Additionally, they closed a $4 million loan to fund capital improvements and automation equipment at the Indiana farm. Next up, they instructed the site selection group to identify the most advantageous site for the company's planned 10,000 metric ton farm and CRB USA to design the facility. Finally, they engaged international investor relations specialists MZ Group to expand its strategic investor relations and financial communications program across key markets. This looks like a firm gearing up for growth. Looking at their financials, cash and cash equivalents were $10 million as of June 30th, 2020, up from $2.8 million at December 31st, 2019. In February, the company completed a public offering of common shares that provided $14.5 million in net proceeds. Cash used in operations for those 6 months was $7 million compared with $5.2 million in the same period of the prior year, and growth of fish inventory biomass was the driver. Cash used for capital projects for the 6 months ended June 30th, 2020 was $1.6 million compared with $0.9 million in the same period of the prior year, and the funds were primarily used for equipment upgrades at the Indiana farm. AquaBounty booked in a net loss for the 6 months ended June 30th, 2020 of $6.6 million or $0.22 per share, compared to a net loss of $6.8 million or $0.37 per share in the same period of the prior year. Looking at the charts, we can see up until mid-July the firm was trading at highs not seen since early 2019. Since the recent share issue, the stock has found support below the 200-day moving average, while momentum looks to have flattened just above oversold territory. That's all we have time for today, but as always, make sure you do your own comprehensive research before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching and join us next time.